Go get some lunch.
Ethan, should we do one final noise for Dave?
All right, Flagpole, can we get some noise for Dave?
Yes.
We did it!
I got some noise for Dave.
I hate it here. I hate it here. But I'm willing to make a good time out of a bad time.
This ain't a bad time. I'm a bit knackered from the bike, though.
I guess stick some sushi, don't you?
Oh, I think it's fantastic. It's just something I do quite often, Harry. You've not, have you?
What do you mean I'm
not? You have.
I actually love Harry.
He's done it again, you know.
Love Harry.
He's planned these videos
I
for
love
him.
it.
He's watched me get taken down by a dog.